So in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable voice control on Insta360 GO Ultra. To do it, slide down from the top of your screen, then go to the right twice and go to voice control. Now you can enable it, select the language. There's not too many language options, so I'll just select English. Now you can see there are different voice commands. Let's start with the first one, which is gonna be take a photo. You can see it takes it. Now let's do start recording. You can also say mark that. It's gonna mark a certain moment, so later when you edit that video in the Insta360 app, it's gonna be easier for you to find that moment. Stop recording, and you can see it stops it. And the last one is shut down the camera, and it's gonna shut it down. So this is how it works. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.